Hey guys, it's me, Tanner. Today I'm going to give you 5 prank ideas that you can pull for Valentine's Day on your loved one. Now, most of these you can do with common items you have around the house or find something at your local store. And if you're like some people and wait until the last minute to get something for your Valentine, these should still be something you can pull off. Prank number 1 is the pop-up card.
Now, there are several companies that make something like this that you can purchase, but you'll have to think ahead a little if you want to order one online so it arrives in time. There's also a bunch of tutorials on how to make one of these pop-up cards, so I'm not going to show you the full steps here. The key here is to load this up with glitter, confetti, or something else kind of small, so that when your loved one opens the card, it pops open and shoots the confetti or glitter mix all over. This was my attempt, and I gave it to my wife to open. It worked, but in hindsight, there's probably a few things I could improve on to get a little bit more pop in it for a better surprise.
That's so cool.
Prank number 2 is changing your significant other's Zoom background. If you're watching this video and you've spent any time this last year probably just breathing, it's a good chance you've been on Zoom.
So for this one, you're going to want to go into the settings and select the background and filters. And here you can see you can have a nice stock background picture or even a beach scene video. But why not try something like the Secret Service or maybe a message for your loved one? Or my personal favorite, the creeper. Now this prank will work best if you set this up in the same spot that they normally take a Zoom call in, and you'll get results that look something like this. First you got the Secret Service agents, then you've got the lovely message, and last but not least, let's not forget the creeper.
Okay, prank number 3 is the chocolate swap.
Nothing says I love you like a box of chocolates, right? Well, what if you carefully cut the chocolates filling out and then swap them out for a filling of your choice and fuse them back together? Well, this turns into a pretty epic prank. And then again, maybe I should have thought that one through a little more.
Prank number 4 is the bug bath bomb.
For this prank, you're going to want to find one of these nice, sweet-smelling bubble bath bombs. And then you're going to want to find yourself some fake bugs, like this fellow here, Senor Cucaracha. Carefully drill a hole in one side, big enough to fit the bug in the middle, and then catch all the powder that falls out. You'll need this in a minute. Stuff the bug inside really well, and then fill it back up with as much of the powder as you can, making sure the bug is completely covered. Now I found that using a non-toxic glue like this works really well, since it's water soluble and matches close to the color I'm going for. And remember, there will probably be a slight reaction because of the ingredients in the ball when you put the glue on. So let it dry and then add a dusting of powder to the outside to keep the effect. Then you can give it to your significant other to try out and... Okay, so if I've done everything right...
Prank number 5 is a surprise Nerf gun war. Now, if you have a wife that's as competitive as mine, this can be a lot more fun. I got this idea from a post I saw on social media, and then I took the liberty of adding my own personal flair. So that's it. 5 pranks that you can pull on your loved ones this Valentine's Day. And just a word of friendly advice, I think I should warn you, if you pull any of these pranks on your loved ones, you may want to have a backup plan just in case. Otherwise, you might end up like me.